Welcome to Radio Spark, the voice of Jaipuria.
Hey everyone, my name is Anubhav. I'm the school media head, and today I'm going to be showing you around our new Radio Jockey Studio, which we called the Radio Spark. So right on the gate you see there's this neon logo sign which is on air, which means when it's turned red, the recording is on. So let's move in and I show you around. So here, let me turn on the lights. So this is our waiting area, and when I move in, this is how it looks. See? So before I explain you this room, I want to tell you one thing, that you must have noticed the difference in my sound. That is because we have made this room soundproof with a professional quality level, how it is actually on the professional setups. I've got a setup of 4 mics here, so we can have 4 people interacting, talking with each other on the same time. So this is how it looks. So let me show you some example. Hello and welcome to Radio Spark, the voice of Jaipuria. Now let me show you around our workstation. Now this we have a 4K LED screen powered by some amazing studio monitors by Yamaha. And in case we need some music production, we've got a MIDI also here. And now talking about the control section. So we control all the audio that's coming out from here. We've got all the inputs here. We can adjust the levels of the mic, volume and everything from here. And also we've got one desk here. And then we've got cameras here set up, right? So whatever is happening, that goes live broadcasting. So we have 2 cameras set up here. One for the wide view, one for the close-ups. Yeah, too much detail. And then we've got this monitor, what is happening here, and that everything comes back to here so that people sitting right in front can see whatever's happening. So we've got a monitor, and let me show you an example of that.
Welcome to Radio Spark, the voice of Jaipuria.
Yeah, so that's how our room looks, but there's still one thing missing. We talk about Radio Spark, but the spark is missing. So let me bring that spark. So this is an amazing feature we have in this room, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So we have Radio Spark, the voice of Jaipuria.
Welcome to Radio Spark, the voice of Jaipuria.